Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can display dual clock on your Android home screen. So guys, first of all, tap and hold on any empty area of your home screen and the screen will look like this, and you're going to select widgets, and on this widget you have to select the clock widget, this one. Tap on the clock and you have to swipe left your screen until you find the dual clock. This is the dual clock, and tap on add. Okay, and you have to choose the city you want to display the clock on your Android home screen. Then for example, I'm going to select Jakarta. Tap on the city you would like to add, then just click on add. Okay, this is for the first city, and for the second city, tap on the second city and select the second city you want to display the clock. And for the second city, I'm going to select this one, Seoul. Just tap on it, then click on change. Okay, after that we can tap on save. And as you can see guys, now the dual clock has been displayed on our Android home screen, and that's how we can display dual clock on Android home screen. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.